Artificial intelligence is transforming the business landscape. It's no longer a futuristic concept. AI is here, and it's making businesses more efficient and productive. Google Workspace is at the forefront of this revolution. New AI capabilities are empowering businesses of all sizes. These tools are designed to be accessible and easy to use. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are automated. Picture effortlessly analyzing complex data. With Google Workspace's AI features, this is now a reality. These tools are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. They free up your time so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. The integration of AI into Google Workspace is a game changer. It's about leveraging technology to enhance human potential. It's about empowering employees to be more productive and creative. And it's about making businesses more agile and competitive. One of the most significant benefits of AI is automation. Google Workspace's new AI features take automation to the next level. Workspace Flows, for example, allows you to automate complex multi-step processes. Imagine automatically routing documents for approval or updating spreadsheets with data from various sources. Workspace Flows uses AI agents called gems. These gems can be trained to perform specific tasks. They can even understand context and make decisions based on your preferences. This means less time spent on tedious tasks and more time for strategic thinking. The beauty of Workspace Flows is its user-friendliness. You don't need to be a programmer to use it. Simply describe the automation you need in plain language, and the platform will take care of the rest. This intuitive approach makes AI-powered automation accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. Collaboration and communication are essential for any successful business. Google Workspace's AI features are designed to enhance these crucial aspects of teamwork. In Google Docs, you can now listen to your documents. This is perfect for catching errors, absorbing information on the go, or simply consuming content in a different way. The Help Me Refine feature acts as your personal writing coach. It provides intelligent suggestions to improve the clarity, structure, and impact of your writing. Google Meet also gets an AI boost. You can now ask for summaries of missed meetings or specific topics. This ensures that everyone stays on the same page, even if they couldn't attend the live meeting. AI in Google Meet also helps you to communicate more effectively. It can help you gather your thoughts and formulate concise points before participating in discussions. With these features, your team can collaborate seamlessly and communicate more effectively, no matter where they are. Data is the lifeblood of modern business, but making sense of data can be challenging. Google Workspace's AI-powered features in Google Sheets make data analysis accessible to everyone. The Help Me Analyze feature is like having an on-demand data analyst. It uncovers hidden insights in your data and provides guidance on interpreting them. This feature highlights trends, identifies outliers, and suggests areas for further exploration. You don't need to be a spreadsheet expert to extract valuable insights from your data. Google Workspace also introduces Vids, an app for creating professional quality videos. Vids uses AI to simplify video creation, making it easy for anyone to produce compelling content. From training materials to marketing collateral, Vids empowers you to communicate your message more effectively. As businesses increasingly rely on AI, data security and privacy become paramount. Google Workspace understands this and prioritizes the protection of your data. When you use AI features in Google Workspace, your data is handled with the utmost confidentiality. It is never used to train AI models outside your domain without your explicit permission. Google does not review your data, sell it to third parties, or use it for any purpose other than providing you with the AI-powered services you have requested. Furthermore, Google offers data residency options for Google Workspace. This means you can control where your data is processed, ensuring compliance with regional regulations. With Google Workspace, you can embrace the power of AI with confidence, knowing that your sensitive information is always protected. Google's commitment to data governance and transparency fosters trust and provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what matters most: growing your business.